every political party that stands in opposition of this film stands with terrorist organizations. That is my belief as a parent. This film depicts entrapment of young women, forcible conversion of young women so that they can be trapped by terrorist organizations. Those political organizations that disallow citizens of our country from viewing this are standing in support of such terror methods. My appeal to parents, society at large, is that this film is a wake-up call. It is not infotainment. It is not entertainment.